Use Motip leather and vinyl paint to repair and enhance your car's vinyl, leather and artificial leather parts. Clean and degrease the surface with silicone remover, then dry it. Mask off the area around the surface to be treated. The aerosol should be at room temperature. Shake the aerosol for 2 minutes and spray a sample. Make sure you maintain the correct spray distance. Apply several thin layers. Shake the aerosol again between each new layer. Allow the paint enough time to dry. Clean the valve after use. Motip leather and vinyl paint has a lasting colour and maintains the original structure. Nothing you can't fix.